Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this very exciting video. I mean, exciting for me. I don't know if it's exciting for anyone else, but today I am dyeing my hair for the first time ever. Okay, that's a lie, back up. I've dyed my hair when I was younger, but I've never like dyed my full head. I've only had highlights or ombre, and I haven't done that shit since I was literally like 12, so it's been like 5 years or longer. So today is the day that everything fucking changes. I'm dyeing my hair. Yes, I'm very scared. Hopefully, if I don't, then you're never gonna see this if I pussy out. But I decided I'm gonna fucking do it. Stop being a pussy, because I wanted to do it for 2 years and I just haven't, because I'm like, I have red hair, I don't want to lose it, blah 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 blah. I'm a little bitch. So I'm getting my sister to dye it for me tonight. So I'm gonna get ready so we can go out and buy some hair dye, because I don't have any, and I just decided I wanted to do this last night, and I'm just like, I gotta do it. Like, I just have to. YOLO! So that's very exciting. I'm really fucking scared that I will look psycho and not good, but she told me that I can remove it. I keep asking her, like, are you 100% sure that I can take this color out if I look fucking ugly? And she's like, yeah, you can. So I'm excited, but at the same time I'm fucking scared. I don't want to do this shit. So we just got back and I have the hair dye. I have the hair dye right here. So this is the dye we're using, the Garnier Belle color in 6N light nude brown. Hopefully this looks good. I got 2 boxes just in case one wasn't enough, but we're gonna do a test strip right now to see how it looks and then do my whole head. I'm fucking scared. Bye to the red hair. I'm really fucking freaking out right now. What if it looks ugly? Okay, here's my hair now. Looks like this. It's red. Natural hair. Hopefully I don't look fucking hideous with this. E.T.
My tits have been so big lately because I've lost so much weight here. Do it.
It looks the same.
No, it doesn't. It looks darker. Look at it.
It looks the damn same! Oh my god!
We're supposed to leave it in longer. 20 minutes doesn't do shit. Look at the bottom.
Yeah, it's blonde. It's like really fucking light.
Okay,
I hate
let's
this.
just cool.
I don't want to do anymore. This shit is burning my scalp. Like really bad. It's dark as fuck. This looks like fucking seaweed noodles. Holy shit. And then this is just like light, like hello. There's like a couple cans left and I just moved it.
Is she crying?
I don't know. I think she's crying, but I think she's laughing at the same time. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is all dyed now, and I'm just here waiting for it to set in, so I can rinse it out. But it took me like an hour and a half to like get the dye all over my hair and shit, which I was not expecting, and it stings and it hurts so fucking bad. So love that. And I literally started bawling my eyes out because I was fucking scared, and I think it's gonna look horrible. So that's awesome. Gotta keep those high hopes. So hopefully this doesn't look like shit. I really am scared it will. That's why I haven't dyed my hair, even though I wanted to for like the past 2 years, is because I was scared it was gonna look like shit. I don't know why I'm still talking when I literally look this fucking ugly. Like, I'm sorry, but yeah, hopefully I don't look super fucking hideous. I guess we'll have to wait and see. I got probably like 15 minutes left, and then I'm gonna rinse this out and I'm gonna let it air dry and then see how it looks, and then probably straighten it later tonight. So yeah, that's it for now. I am fucking scared, but also I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look. Hey guys, so it's the next day now, and this is what my hair looks like. It looks really dark on camera, like holy shit, it's not that dark. I think it just looks dark because of the lighting and because my skin's really pale right now because it's been winter, so yeah, and it wasn't supposed to be this dark. It's supposed to be a little bit lighter, and it's definitely not as dark as it is coming off on camera. If I can like post a photo where you can like see the color better, I will, but I like it. I think, I don't know, I'm warming up to it. I definitely miss my red hair though, so I probably won't keep it brown for a long time, probably like a month. Hey guys, so this is me editing the video, and I just wanted to come and say real quick that I actually do like my hair now, and I probably am going to be keeping it brown for the next few months. I've already washed it 4 times since this video, and it's faded quite a bit, so I'm just bought new hair dye last night so I can touch it up in a week or two, because by then it'll probably be close to my natural color. So yeah, but I'm probably going to keep the brown for a few months. I really do like it now that I've gotten used to it, and I've had it for almost a week now, and I really like how it looks with like certain colors of like clothing, because before with my red hair, like it would clash with a lot of colors, so I really like that. And also, if you guys want to see more photos of what my hair looks like, go follow me on Instagram. I have it always linked down below, and I have a little thing in the beginning of this video with my socials, so check it out on there, because now you can see more photos of my brown hair, because in the video it doesn't look that good. It kind of looks weird on camera for some reason. I'm not sure why, but yeah, so I just wanted to come in here and say that. So let's get back to the video. I think it looks okay, but I definitely do miss my red hair. So let me know what you guys think down below, if you like this brown or my old hair better, and if I should keep this hair or if I should dye it a different color. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!